Get ready to pack your sunscreen and flip-flops because we're diving into the top 10 U.S. beaches you can't miss in 2024. Whether you're looking for pristine white sand, incredible surf, or family-friendly vibes, these beaches have it all. From the East Coast to the West, we've got the best seaside spots for your next vacation. Kicking off our list at number 10 is Siesta Beach in Florida. Known for its sugar-fine white quartz sand, this beach is a family favorite. The sunsets here, absolutely breathtaking. And with shallow, calm waters, it's perfect for a laid-back swim or a stroll along the shore. Number 9 brings us to the beautiful Hanauma Bay in Oahu, Hawaii. This crescent-shaped paradise is ideal for snorkeling, thanks to its vibrant coral reefs and colorful marine life. This protected bay offers a unique blend of underwater adventure and scenic beauty. Be sure to visit early, as this spot is incredibly popular. Heading up to the Pacific Northwest at number 8 is Cannon Beach in Oregon. Known for the iconic Haystack Rock, this beach is perfect for photography enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. The dramatic coastal views, cool temperatures, and cozy small-town vibe make this beach a must-visit in 2024. Number 7 is the legendary South Beach in Miami, Florida. Known for its vibrant energy, neon-lit nightlife, and Art Deco architecture, South Beach is a destination for those who love to mix beach time with city life. The turquoise waters and sizzling atmosphere make it a hot spot for 2024. At number 6, we've got Myrtle Beach in South Carolina. With 60 miles of sandy coastline, there's plenty of space to lay out and enjoy the sun. It's a top pick for families, thanks to its bustling boardwalk, amusement parks, and entertainment options. If you're looking for family fun, this is your spot. At number 5, Coronado Beach in San Diego, California, offers some of the softest, most beautiful sand on the West Coast. The historic Hotel del Coronado adds a touch of luxury to this already stunning beach. Whether you're building sandcastles or surfing, Coronado has something for everyone. Number 4 on our list is the Outer Banks in North Carolina. This stretch of barrier islands offers wide, unspoiled beaches, perfect for those looking to escape the crowds. The Outer Banks are also a haven for adventure, with opportunities for kite surfing, fishing, and even wild horse sightings. Coming in at number 3 is Malibu Beach in California. Famous for its surfing, stunning coastal views, and celebrity sightings, Malibu is a must-visit for beach lovers and thrill seekers. Whether you're paddling out to catch the perfect wave or just soaking up the sun, Malibu offers the quintessential California beach experience. Waikiki Beach in Honolulu, Hawaii, claims the number 2 spot. This world-famous beach is as picturesque as it gets, with its golden sand, crystal-clear water, and views of Diamond Head. It's perfect for both beginners and seasoned surfers, and the nearby luxury resorts make it a dream destination. And finally, at number 1, we have Clearwater Beach in Florida. Consistently ranked as one of the best beaches in the U.S., Clearwater offers soft white sand, calm blue water, and a laid-back atmosphere. Whether you're here for the sunset or a dolphin cruise, Clearwater Beach is the ultimate getaway for 2024. So there you have it, the top 10 U.S. beaches you can't miss in 2024. From the sunny shores of Florida to the rugged coasts of Oregon, there's a beach for everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. with your favorite beach. See you on the sand.